Welcome to Study Loop.
Alrighty, problem 22 here tells us that we have some cells, some group of cells, and there's a bunch of dye. There's a bunch of dye, and nothing happens to the cells, right? And then they try again, where we have some cells and the dye, okay. But in this instance, we're adding a ligand of some kind, right, which is going to bind to the cells. And then what happens is the dye is able to penetrate into the cells, and they turn a color blue, or whatever dye color it was. I don't know that it said blue, but here they turn blue. And so we're told there are two pieces of information that are quite important. One is that it's a ligand that was added here, right? The other thing to note is this change, this nut, that the dye was not able to get inside, and then later it gets inside of the cell, right? So that means there was some sort of channel had opened up here to allow the dye in, right? And so very precisely, if we're on our cell, let's just draw that a little better. So if we let this be our cell here, the cell wall, okay. Okay, so this is our cell, and if we have a sort of a signaling molecule, in this case a ligand, right, which binds and then caused it to, phase 2 was to open a channel, and that lets the dye in. And so this would have our binding ligand on it. Okay, so we have our channel and we have our ligand. So just by those two elements alone, we can see that it's a ligand-gated ion channel, right? It's the ligand-gated channel. So the correct answer here is going to be B.